Next question is from electromagnetic waves. Now the question is, a red LED emit light at 0.1 watt uniformly around it. The amplitude of electric field of the light is at a distance of 1 meter from the diode is 5.48 volt per meter, 2.45 volt per meter, 1.73 and 7.75 volt per meter. Now देखिए ये दिस इज अ लाइट सोर्स जिसका पावर दिया हुआ है, इट इज ए रेड एलईडी. तो रेड एलईडी है, तो दिस विल एक्ट एज ए सोर्स, राइट. इट इज ए पॉइंट सोर्स and its power is equal to 0.1 watt. Power is equal to 0.1 watt, right. Now this is a point source, so this will radiate light energy in all three dimensions in space. That is, it will radiate a light energy within a sphere of radius r. और यहाँ पर दिया गया है at a distance of 1 meter. So here this radius of this sphere is equal to 1 meter, right. This is 1 meter, right. Now at this point, suppose at this point P, the amplitude of electric field is E. Amplitude of electric field is E. So from in electromagnetic wave, we know that intensity I is equal to half epsilon naught E square, into C. This is the expression for intensity at a point, right, where E is the amplitude of electric field at that point, C is speed of light and epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. इसको हम लोग जानते हैं. Now पावर दिया हुआ है और एरिया देखिए, पावर दिया हुआ है तो पावर इज जूल पर सेकेंड. तो व्हाट इज इंटेंसिटी? इंटेंसिटी इज एनर्जी पर यूनिट एरिया पर सेकेंड. तो यहाँ से हम इंटेंसिटी को लिख सकते हैं, दिस इज पावर बाय एरिया, और एरिया ऑफ सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर विल बी इक्वल टू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर and it is equal to half epsilon naught E square into C. Now we have to calculate E, amplitude of electric field. तो therefore यहाँ से हम देखें, therefore E square will be equal to how much? देखिए E square, इसको हम इधर लाएं तो this is 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into C, right. 4 pi epsilon naught R square. The value of E square is this much, 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into C, and therefore E is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? इसका under root of this much. Now putting the value of all these things, we have under root of E is equal to under root of 2 into this is 0.1, this is 0.1, power is 0.1 watt SI unit में है, and this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. हम जानते हैं Coulomb's law से, the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. The R is equal to 1 meter, so this is R square is equal to 1, and C is speed of light. This is 3 into 10 to the power 8. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. अब देखिए 10 to the power 8 है ये, यहाँ से कट गया 10 to the power 9 से यहाँ 10 बच गया. Now this is 3, ये 9 कट गया, this is 3 से 9 कट गया 3, so this will be how much? 3 3 या 9, 3 to the 6 into 0.1 into 10, so this is under root 6. This is under root 6. So जब under root 6 लेंगे तो this come to be 2.45 volt per meter, and therefore 2.45 volt per meter. Therefore correct option is option number 2. Okay.